Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Mr. Techfox. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to check your Mac's storage usage instantly. No third-party app is needed. Just let's jump right into it. But before doing it, I'm requesting you to hit that subscribe button for more useful tips. So first of all, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. And here you will get an option, System Settings. No worries, I'll show you both. And here you will see a drop-down menu. So from this drop-down menu, normally choose System Settings. If you are using an older version of macOS, it will be about this Mac. So I'm choosing the System Settings as my MacBook is new, and then a window will pop up, and here you will get an option, and that is Storage. Just normally try to find that. And in this pop-up window, normally choose General. And here you will get an option Storage. Choose it. Now wait a few seconds and here you go. You will see your Mac storage bar appear with sections like System Data, Photos, Apps, Documents, and more, all sorted with color and space used. So you will see the exact this interface. On the other hand, if you are using an older version of macOS, just click on this Apple icon and choose About this Mac, and there you will get an option as Storage. Just click on that and you will see the exact same window. And that's how you instantly check your Mac's storage. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to Mr. Techfox for more fast Mac tips. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.